There are numerous resources available to help you learn programming, catering to different learning styles and experience levels. Online tutorials, both written and video-based, can provide step-by-step guidance for learning a programming language or concept. Websites like W3 Schools offer interactive lessons and coding exercises to practice your skills. Books and ebooks, ranging from beginner-friendly introductions to advanced guides, can also be invaluable resources. Joining programming communities and forums, such as Stack Overflow or Reddit, can provide opportunities to ask questions, share knowledge, and learn from others' experiences. In-person or virtual coding workshops and meetups can offer hands-on experience and networking opportunities. Finally, working with a tutor or mentor, such as those available at your business, can provide personalized guidance and support tailored to your specific needs and learning style.